Hey, what's going on, guys? Bring you guys another card fight, Vanguard.
He was about to say card fight.
Yeah,
It was
Speak up. Sorry.
All right. I'm using my recently new constructed Royal Paladin deck versus Quinn's
Great Nature, which I just remade. I bought 3 boxes and I regret every last bit of it. But that's beside the point.
So you flip flop.
All right, so we just gonna get the match going.
Well, your man Santiago over here. What's going on, y'all?
I'm just
Hey, look at that.
Right.
Right. 10.
no card.
No trigger. Damn. All right.
I gotta rebound my trip, Ron.
Shoot.
Damn it, I swear. Do I really know what that game is? If I can find it, I will search the ends of my damn room to find that game.
Hey,
I
nice.
played it. Probably messed up. I can't even play it.
Plus.
I remember when you had that
No
sale. Oh god, that sale was so godlike. Oh.
No trigger. Stand and draw.
$50.
All right. Blaster blade.
That was a great game. Metro Prime was a great game.
Oh, he can't die this time.
Of course he can't die. It's Blaster blade. All right. I should probably put a rare guard. Yeah, I ain't gonna do that yet. 15.
Oh, okay.
14, actually.
Okay.
No triggers.
Oh.
You move.
Do not.
Oh.
I'll make my field soon.
Are you really gonna make it feel?
Alright.
Oh, if you watch the match, I will.
Oh well, shit.
I'm at 10.
Words. Okay. 15.
10.
It is 4, 15. 2, 17.
No go.
Power.
What you gotta do? Seek the mate and get it back.
Yeah.
I tried.
Stand and draw.
It was just spinning all over the place.
Right. Drop a card and I can search for Snoggle. Alrighty. Because I like that guy. I might as well just like not shuffle. That makes sense. Give me a second. Drop a card and I can look for a Snoggle.
This is so disrespectful.
No, just get rid of you.
Oh, why'd you replace Sparkle?
Huh? Brugal.
That guy.
Brugal.
I'm sorry. Whatever his name is.
I can't have Barkles a starter. Bushy Road gonna find me.
They not gonna find you here.
Yeah, they gonna find me. They gonna lock me up. Just kidding.
See what you did. Now we locking you up.
Alright.
Cause we have fucked up kid.
A lot of carrots.
Ooh.
15 to your rear.
I'll drop the 10 for him.
Alright, 2. So 19. Is that 19? Yeah, it's 19.
Get 1.
I will get 1. Indeed, get 1. I'm gonna eat this though.
20.
21. 22. You move. Seek my mate.
Trash.
Leon is just so god tier.
No, that shouldn't even have happened. He doesn't deserve a legion.
But the wind tells us
No.
otherwise.
The wind told you nothing.
Shut up.
The wind
No.
clearly is speaking otherwise. So, I mean, you just not listening to the wind.
Yo, look.
Open your heart. Sad. Are you not amused?
No.
Not really.
Fine.
15. So, felonies.
No.
Yes. Come on, man. Come on.
Well,
17.
Go.
Famous feet. Stand. Power. 14 to power meter.
Alright, cool. Stand and draw. I could have guarded.
You woulda, coulda, shoulda, but then.
Ooh.
I know you could. Why would you say that? Oh my god.
12 Vanguard?
12.
Wait, no, not 12. Sorry. Bigger number.
So you lied.
14.
You cheated. Is what you're saying.
20.
That's a big number. I need you to get
Oh, that's not 20. Whoa.
Card in?
My numbers. You see any cards in my hands?
Alright, okay, I'm sorry.
You see any cards in
I
my
was
hands?
asking a question.
It is 21.
Go ahead.
There we go. That's the right number. Alright. Cool. Cool.
Oh no.
16 rare.
Okay.
Alright, cool. This was the wrong go. Going damageable yourself?
I wish I could.
Oh, it's not damageable?
No.
I don't know.
15 banger?
No god.
17.
No god. I'm still alive! Oh,
Sorry. I just really wanted to grab that speedo.
of course.
Pop
Taking my ass.
Huh?
Oh,
I put that on there.
Go ahead.
Standing dry. Alrighty. Might as well make back that broke it. Nah, trying to keep up. Might as well. Alright. 14 again.
Pow.
23. 21. It's 21. $10K is 1 to pass. 15K. 2 to pass. To really help me in the video.
I'm kind of scared of you.
The hell's that?
Oh! No chop, people!
Are you afraid?
Speak.
Yeah!
Of me?
Yeah!
21 plus a crit.
Zach.
He can guard it.
Can he? Can he really?
He just did.
You're right. Blah, 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 blah.
Skill.
You know what? Yo, where's your Royal Paladin scraps?
Don't look.
I never had Royal Paladin
I
scraps.
don't have any more.
I gave him all the Gari.
Damn, I was just gonna make a Royal Paladin deck in general. But
So now I'm not the only Aichi lover, right? Right?
Fuck it.
hold on.
Okay. Just saying. Okay.
Anyway.
Alright.
I'm making Jewel Knights. Let's get something straight here.
I'm gonna rest this.
You're such a loser.
Rest this plus 4,000 here. 4,000. Yeah, I put it here. Block 4K, 4K.
Drop.
Alright. Double skill. 4 here, 4 here. So this is. You are 14. 14.
I think Kyle Logic has to come into play.
24.
Maybe Kyle Logic should come into play. 25. It's better than 24.
21.
Kyle Logic,
Is it really that really?
get 2 for me.
Oh, damn, girl. All effects.
Okay, maybe I should have done for Kyle Logic. Kyle Logic!
Skill plus 4,000. You already got plus 4. So this is 8 for this row.
Heal trigger.
8, I gave you the 4th one. So for 8, 12, you were 23 by yourself. 30.
No heal trigger. Alright.
Alright, so this all for this, guys.
That's the end. We'll see you guys in the next episode.